It is the 28th of August 2026, and this is today's French A0 to A1 beginner class from LinguaWire, made from real news stories. This class is a podcast and a video lesson, both on linguawire.com, linked below.
Today's main story is about the U.S. Justice Department delaying the plan to put Trump's name on the Kennedy Center. First, there are 3 other stories from today's front page, and you can read all of them on linguawire.com.
First, les pensions des anciens militaires au Royaume-Uni touchées par une erreur.
Military pensions in the United Kingdom were affected by an error. A useful word here is erreur, which means error or mistake. An office error is a very expensive little thing when it lands in someone's pension.
Next, Anthropic lance un standard pour les appareils.
Anthropic launches a standard for devices. The verb lance comes from lancer, which means to launch or introduce.
And le ministère de l'Intérieur limite les hôtels pour demandeurs d'asile au Royaume-Uni.
The Home Office is limiting hotels for asylum seekers in the United Kingdom. The phrase au Royaume-Uni means in the United Kingdom.
Now, time for today's main story. Here is today's headline. Le DOJ retarde le nom de Trump au Kennedy Center. Now say it out loud yourself and see how much you already understand. Le DOJ
The DOJ
retarde et
delays
le nom de Trump
the naming of Trump
au Kennedy Center.
at the Kennedy Center.
The headline uses a very compact structure. The verb comes early and le nom de Trump means the naming, not just a name on its own.
Everything from here is also written out on today's lesson sheet.
Le département a informé un juge fédéral jeudi soir.
The department informed a federal judge on Thursday evening.
Il a dit que le changement ne sera pas fait avant le 8 octobre 2026.
It said that the change will not be made before either October 2026. Sera is the future form of être, the verb meaning to be.
Le Kennedy Center va attendre plus d'1 mois.
The Kennedy Center is going to wait more than a month.
Le centre veut honorer Donald Trump avec ce changement.
The center wants to honor Donald Trump with this change. That is a very formal way to rename a building. First the delay, then the ceremony, and now the paperwork says no.
Le nom ne sera pas ajouté avant le 8 octobre.
The name will not be added before 8th October. Ajouter is the past participle used here with être to make a passive sentence.
Now for the verb of the day, retarder. In English, that means to delay. Here it is in the present tense. Je retarde. Tu retardes. Il coupe, elle, on retarde. Nous retardons. Vous retardez. Il, elle retardent. The headline uses retarde.
Here's a normal everyday example. Je retarde le dîner de 10 minutes. In English, I delay dinner by 10 minutes.
One last time at full speed. Le DOJ retarde le nom de Trump au Kennedy Center. Now you. Before you go, one question from today's story. Que fait le département avant le 8 octobre 2026?
That is, what does the department do before 8th of October 2026? Inversion. Puts the subject pronoun after the verb. It is mainly used in formal or careful French, especially in writing. Here it is in everyday French. Aimez-vous le café? Do you like coffee?
Is it A, il ouvre un hôtel? Il ajoute le nom? Or C, il retarde le changement?
Think about it. For the answer, 2 more knowledge check questions and today's full lesson sheet, visit the class page linked below. Well done. That is today's class. Sign up for free on linguawire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. The link is with this episode. See you tomorrow.